Hi everyone, Namaste. My name is Shika and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn 5 simple basic steps that you can do to begin your journey of meditation. So if you're curious about meditation and you want to start meditating, but you're not sure how, where to start, or what to do, then this video is perfect for you. Stay tuned. All right, so we all know that meditation is amazing. I mean, if you have not experienced, it's okay because you are about to experience that journey. But I remember when I started meditating about 3.5 years ago. I didn't know how to meditate either. It took me a while. It was a process. It was a journey. And now I feel like I'm in a better place where I feel alive. I feel rejuvenated. I feel amazing after I come out of a meditation, after I finish my meditation. And I promise you that's where you're going to be as well. In the beginning, you may feel like, am I doing it right? I don't know. It's a lot of questions, and you know, questions always create anxiety. So you want to keep that questions all aside. Throughout my meditation journey, I've discovered few things that really helps me and that works for me. And if it works for you, just take it. If it doesn't work for you, throw it away, right? You have to find what works for you. And there's nobody else who can tell you what works for you, because you are the only one who can discover it. And you have to give it some time and patience, and you will really find what works for you. It will click one day and you will start focusing on those things. But I know it always helps to have few tips or few things that you know in advance to kind of jumpstart the process. So that's why I'm here to share a couple of things, and hopefully it helps you. I've learned over the period and over the course of this journey that these are the things that really helps me. So number 1 is be comfortable. I can't stress enough how important this is, because you want to be comfortable while you're meditating. You don't want to feel like, oh, this is hurting, or that is hurting, or this is uncomfortable. You're focusing on all the things that are uncomfortable, and that's really not going to help you. So it's so easy to be comfortable. You can either sit, or you can lie down, or you can be on the couch, or just sit however you feel comfortable, or lie down if that's better for you, right? For me, sitting like this upright is super comfortable. I can stay like this all day long, but if it may not be easy for you, like you may have back issues that hurts, or you may want to be against the wall, or you may just want to be comfortable on the couch. So pick something that makes you comfortable, so you're in ease. You want to be in ease while you meditate. It's pretty simple, right? So that was the first step. Number 2, all you have to do is close your eyes and breathe. I mean, we breathe every day, every second, every moment. What happens if we don't breathe? We freaking die, right? So all you have to do is focus on breathing consciously. Okay, so there are a couple of things. They're conscious. You have your conscious mind, you have your subconscious mind, and you have your unconscious mind. So you definitely want to be conscious, because consciousness brings awareness, and awareness is enlightenment, right? So you want to be conscious, but also subconscious mind is one of the best thing that you can work on too. Subconscious mind is a whole another topic, and I'll come to you with that. One of the things I will tell you, that if you fall asleep while you meditate, it's okay. Your body's probably asking you for that, and your subconscious mind will pick it up, whatever you focus on. So let's put the subconscious mind aside. You definitely don't want to be unconscious, and unconscious is pretty much like being completely unconscious by drinking alcohol or being on drugs and things like that. Those are toxins, and it doesn't help you with your vibration. It doesn't help you with your meditation. So you want to put those things aside. You want to focus on your conscious mind to bring awareness to yourself, right? So consciously breathe. For example, if we normally breathe just like that, you just kind of bring that awareness to your breathing, okay? Like, oh my gosh, I'm breathing. Oh my gosh, there's so much breath in abundance. Like, focus on all those stuff, like really consciously breathe. And when you consciously breathe, you also expand your breath, right? You expand in this way, you expand in that way. And you expand all around because you're infinite. So you want to expand infinitely, right? There are various breathing techniques, but you don't really have to shape or form anything with your breath when you're doing meditation. Just breathe normally. You can even count your breath if you want. Or if that's too complicated, just breathe. So pretty simple. Bring your focus and your awareness on your breath. So that was tip number 2. Tip number 3 is focusing on gratitude. Gratitude changes your entire frequency. Now, we all know that we vibrate. We're a vibrational being. This earth vibrates. You vibrate. Your phone vibrates. Everything vibrates. So the frequency of gratitude is so high. The frequency of love, and we all know how important love is, the frequency of love is at 500, but the frequency of gratitude can go up to 900. How high is that? I mean, all you have to do is think about something that you are grateful for in that moment, in that time. I would say in that moment, if you can't think about anything, at least you can think about how grateful you are to be alive, because there are tons of people who probably didn't wake up that day, and you are one of those lucky ones who could wake up that day and live. So just be grateful for being alive, as simple as that, or be grateful for a few things. Just think about all the things that you're grateful for so you can vibrate in that frequency. Being grateful just starts your process of meditation. Tip number 4 is don't fight your thoughts. I think that's one mistake that we make. Like, we all think that meditation is clearing your thoughts out and you shouldn't have any thoughts, and you just keep fighting. So when thoughts come, you're like, oh, why is this thoughts coming? Let me, get out of my mind. So you're literally fighting your thoughts. I mean, why? During meditation, you receive a lot of answers. You receive these thoughts because it means something to you. So instead of fighting it, just listen to it. Sometimes solutions come in meditation. For me, I've had so many times where I literally come up with solutions and answers for a thought that I knew that was something that was important for me in my life, or I didn't know what to do. And everything comes in meditation. Why? Because I'm in a state of stillness. I'm calm. I'm not fighting. And the answers, the right answers come to you. Those answers can already be within you. But when you're too cloudy and when you have a lot of things going on, you may not know the answer, and meditation gives you those answers. So don't fight your thoughts. Just be in it and appreciate it and acknowledge your thoughts. Just the fact that you're acknowledging it gives you so much peace. So yeah, let that beautiful thoughts flow. Tip number 5, very simple. Think about all the things that makes you feel good. Something that makes me feel good may not be good for you. So I can tell you, oh, think about this good thoughts, think about that good thoughts. My experience with something may not be the same for you. So you have to think about what makes you feel good. It's different for everybody. It's different for you. It's different for me. So think about things that makes you feel good, and you know what makes you feel good, and focus on those things. Good thoughts will lead into positive thoughts, and it leads into you vibrating on positive energy. And one good thought can lead another good thought and lead another good thought, just like how one bad thing can lead into multiple bad things. For example, I'll give you a quick example. If you wake up in the morning and say, oh, I am so tired today, your day is going to be tiring all day. Pay attention next time when you wake up and say certain thing and how that certain thing will actually continue throughout the day. If you wake up and complain, your day is going to be filled with complaints. So next time, wake up and think about a good thought. One good thought will multiply into a multiple good thoughts. So same thing with meditation. When you're meditating, think about things that makes you feel good. And you know what? Just by doing these 5 simple things, you are in the state of meditation. And meditation simply means listening, okay? So listening, being grateful. We're so focused on asking all the time, God, please give me this. Universe, please give me this. Give me that. Me. I want this. I want this. Just let all of that out. Put that aside. Put what you want and what you need and what what you're asking. Just put all of that aside. Just be grateful. And another thing that I do want to mention in this video is that oftentimes people always ask, oh, how long should I meditate? Is there a time limit? Is there a time frame? The answer is no. Just go with the flow. Go with the flow. You can be in meditation for a few seconds. You can be in calm stillness for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. It's not like the longer you meditate, the better you feel. It could be just one simple quick minute and it still helps you and it makes you feel good. Then, there's really no time limit. Just do what makes you feel good. That's it. That's pretty much it. That's all I can tell you. There's no time frame. And hopefully all of these tips are going to help you. It really helps me, and that's really how I meditate and what I focus on during my meditation, and it's been life-changing for me. So hopefully this can help you jumpstart your meditation process, and trust me, give it some time and you will see the change. You may see the change instantly, or it may take time for you to see that change. It may not be a drastic change, but just notice the pattern if you're changing things, and that's, if you don't want to change anything, that's up to you, right? Nobody can change you. Only you can create that change within you. So comment your experience below. I would love to hear it. Oh, and before you leave, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I'm so grateful for all the love and support, and I'm so grateful for you to watch this video. I am even more grateful that we coexist in this world together. Thank you and have an amazing day. Namaste.